Hi, Dr. Julie here, and today I want to share some information about your home exercise program so you know exactly how to read the document and know when to do each exercise and what it's meant for. So we'll start at the top section here. Here you'll find any tips from the visit, anything important that we talked about that I want to make sure you remember. I'll usually mark up here. Sometimes that will include recommended exercises to avoid or hold off on, and other tips that will help your recovery. So we'll start at the first section here, and that's soft tissue immobilization. This section will be used as a way to check in with your body. So when you do these techniques, oftentimes you're going to do them on the right and the left side, and it's just a good way to check in with the tissues and see what areas need more attention. It's going to bring awareness to that area, and it's going to help carry over the positive effects that you've received through the treatment. These are really good to use while you're at work, so I always encourage patients to try to take some time away from the desk and work on these techniques here. You're going to be provided all the necessary equipment, so be it a foam roller or a lacrosse ball, you'll have those tools. The next section is dynamic mobility warm-up. So this is an active warm-up, and that's going to prepare you for just daily movement and movement that's going to be involved in your normal exercise routine. This section is good to just help wake up the muscles that we're trying to work. So it's usually targeting a specific area that you are either lacking mobility or just lacking awareness of how to move correctly. The last section is correctives or exercises. So these are meant to do after you've done things from the top and the middle section. This is kind of a way to reinforce that newly found range of motion, help to gain strength, and help to gain awareness on how to use that muscle. So we're further building that mind-muscle connection. There's a number of ways to increase the difficulty level of these exercises, and usually you'll see that I write notes off to the right. So sometimes it might be increasing the reps or sets, but a lot of times it might be closing the eyes or adding some other external variable to increase the difficulty. You'll notice if any exercise is in blue text, that's going to be hyperlinked to a video for your reference. If I do not have the exercise videoed, you'll either have a handout or I will type out a description on how to do that exercise. If you have any questions ever, even if you have access to a video and a handout and you're still a little confused, always encourage you to reach out to me via email or a phone call so we can clarify things prior to your next appointment. Every appointment, these exercises will change and progress, and you'll be instructed always in the office on how to do anything new. So, hope this helps your utilization of the home exercise program. This is really important to help increase the effectiveness of our treatments, and I will see you soon.